Hello, what an incredible time to be a student. Today we're going to be looking at limits in calculus. Limit is the kind of question that we get when we see things like this. Lim as x approaches to this, lim as x approaches infinity, this, lim as x approaches infinity, this. So whenever you have such an expression as this, and you're told to get the limit, what is the algorithm that you use? How do you go about solving the problem? Number one, if you want to evaluate limits, substitute in the limiting value like this that you have here. If you want to get the limit as x approaches to, anywhere you see x, substitute 2. That's the first thing you do. So you do the same for any of these, but then when you do it, you can get an undefined form of expression or normal expression. If you get normal expression, then that becomes your limit. If you don't get, then you have to do other things. So you see, evaluating a limit, first of all, substituting the limiting values. That's the first thing you do. If it is not undefined, that is if you get a good expression that is not undefined. Undefined expression is the expression that has 0 under it, or 0 over 0 or stuff like that. But if you have something like 2 or 3, then that is your answer. If it is not undefined, that is your answer. But if it is undefined, what did you get that made you to say that this is undefined? Did you get 0 over 0? Did you get non-zero over 0? Or did you get 0 times infinity? Or infinity minus infinity? Or infinity over infinity? If you get any of these, then it is undefined. So what do you do in each case? If you get 0 over 0, try factoring, expanding common denominator, using conjugates, using trig identities, special limits involving trig or e. If you get non-zero over 0, deduce if it is plus infinity or minus infinity or does not exist. But when you get indeterminate form like 0 times infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity over infinity, try factoring, divide by the highest power in the denominator, or use special limits like trig or e. So we're going to find out that in these equations, which are the assignments that you have in your Math 102, we're going to be solving them. So in this, when you substitute in, this one you're going to get the right thing, but here you're going to be having small issues when you substitute in the limits. So you will have to use this third method, because you will be getting infinity. You are using infinity here, and because you'll be getting stuff in infinity, you're going to be dividing through by the highest power in the denominator for you to solve any of these two. So that's what we're going to be doing. So click on the description part of this video and see the solution to the assignment for your 102. If you like this, click the subscribe button, and the next video I'm going to be having is going to be having me teach you the solutions, how to go about solving this using this algorithm or using these steps that we've just stated. Thank you. God bless.